I'm Jonathan Hicks and today we're looking at addition. Now I'm kind of assuming you get the basic concepts here, yeah? I'm not going to be doing the whole 2 apples plus 3 apples thing. We're just going to take any two numbers and I'll show you a method for adding them up. This is the traditional method, the one that I was taught when I was at school, but I think it works very well, okay? And it's the one I would recommend you use. Okay, so let's pick a couple of numbers. We'll try 52 plus 37, that will do. So this is the way you lay it out. There's your space for your answer. And the main thing is you've got to line up the columns, okay? So your units column goes here, tens column goes here, and then you just add them up in the columns, working from the right hand side across to the left. So all it is. So it's 2 plus 7 gives you 9, and 5 plus 3 gives you 8. 89. That was easy. However, if the numbers here become bigger than 9, then it becomes slightly more complicated. So let's try another example where that happens. We'll do 485 plus 79. Okay, now again, you've got to be careful of your columns here, okay? So units column, tens column, hundreds column. There are no hundreds here, yeah, in 79, so don't be writing your 7 there or anything like that. If you're not sure about the columns, technically that's what we call place value, then go and watch the place value video and it'll explain all about it, okay? So same thing, 5 plus 9, now that gives you 14, okay? But you can't be fitting the 14 in here. You can only fit one digit in each of these spaces. So the way it works is you put your 4 from the 14 in there, but the 1 that would make it 14, you have to carry it. Now, some people like to carry it at the top, some people like to carry it at the bottom, some people even try and squeeze it in the middle there. It doesn't really matter where you carry as long as you carry it somewhere. Personally, I prefer to stick it at the bottom, so I put it there, okay? So that's 14, yeah? 5 plus 9 is 14, and we say that we've carried the 1. It's gone on to the next column, effectively. Then you add up the next column. So 8 plus 7 is 15, and then you have to add anything that you carried, okay? So 15 plus the one you carried gives you 16. Again, we can't fit the 16 in there, so the 6 goes there, and you have to carry the 1 again to make 16. Then it's 4 plus nothing, plus the one you carried, don't forget that one, gives you 5. That goes in there, and that's your final answer, 564.